Hello and welcome to yet another of my videos. This is now a Pioneer SACD player and it's called PD-D6. Bit of unusual styling, and this is, I suppose, one of the reasons I bought it. It was faulty, of course. It didn't play SACDs, which, as you see now, it does, and the only thing it really needed was cleaning of the lens with some isopropyl alcohol. I vowed not to work on another SACD player if I could, but I really need one in stock because sometimes people ask for it, and also, well, Pioneer is maybe not really a high-end company, but let me turn it down a bit because Mr. Tchaikovsky and Berliner Philharmoniker are getting into the violin concerto. Pioneer is not really a high-end brand, but their readers of silver discs are very good. Numerous very good CD players, and a lot of high-end manufacturers are using their mechanisms, mainly stable pattern ones, but others as well. So I thought, well, surely that thing will work well, and it does. And it's sometimes a bit noisy when the disc is not that good to read it. It takes a bit, but other than that, it's all right. What we have inside here is a very fancy switch, two transformers. The big one does main power delivery. The small one, I think, does some kind of signaling. It has a rectifier there, small rectifier, but it also supplies AC as if it was some kind of control thing. I have no idea why they use two and maybe separate something. There's a big rectifier there. As you see, high density surface mount. We have a DACs, a Burr-Brown PCM-1738, two of them. Nippon Chemicon capacitors everywhere. Of notice, Lampizetti always raves about filtering, so it has some nice filtering there. The remote is unusual, very tiny, but it has a couple of useful functions. One is a dimmer, in which you can dim a bit and dim a lot. And it still displays the time, but with no light at all. And the second is a pure audio, which displays pure and then cuts the display and switches off everything that is not necessary. I think even digital output is cut in. When the track changes, like if you change to the next track, which I'll do now, it will display briefly what it's doing and then turn it off. So that's that. Another thing they have is a legato link, which you can engage. I think I have to do it first, and that really changes the output filter. It's sort of not as sharp and stiff, and they say it sounds better. Other people have different opinions on the matter, but who's to know? It has Air Studios logo here. I have no idea what that is all about. Maybe these are the people who designed the case, which I really like. Well, that's all, folks, and till the next one. I don't really know how it sounds. I'm going to take it to my #1 system just to see, but it certainly looks nice, and it's in very good condition. Well, thanks again, and till the next one. Bye bye.